Eneraqua. Now, this is the thing. The results are very soon. I do hold these, and probably I shouldn't have held them. I'm looking at the reward rather than the risk too much. Now, let's look at what they do. Ranked 57 out of 130 companies. Okay. Now, they are specialists in in energy and water efficiency. They also have their own tech control flow, HL2124. Yes, we go on tech. They've gone through a very tough time because they supply largely to councils. Of course, councils are under the cosh. Many of them are bankrupt, so many of them have cancelled their contracts, and so they've had profit warning after profit warning. And yet the chart reflects this essentially. And if you look at the chart, they came to the market in 2021 at 284 a share. I think about 80 million, 80, something like that. And it looked promising. All of a sudden, they said, oh, contract delays from local councils. It's gone down here. But nevertheless, they're in the right kind of sector. And now it's been, look at that, flatlining. Flatlining, I think results are out maybe tomorrow, day after. Maybe tomorrow. My stop loss will kick in. 23rd. It's tomorrow. If you're watching this on YouTube, it's probably last month. If you want to watch live, then join the club. But this is the previous year's results. So let's have a look at this. Quick line. 12 million market cap, 15 million enterprise value. They've got debt, of course. Volume is low, and I think it was bigger volume than this, but it's gone down. But debt 6.2, operating cash flow 3 minus 3. I mean -5. So this was last results. It's largely it's worth looking at interim results. In the meantime, 7% top line. Let's have a look at the change here. So it's yeah. So okay, we're going to see some big losses. They said in a trading update. They're going to do 50 million of revenue. Ian Richardson will be stepping down, CFO. James Lamb will be taking up. Lamb the Slaughter. Hey! Okay. The company is navigating a challenging market in 2020. Expects to report revenues of 54 million. Now, my thinking is they just get the margins up a little bit on that kind of revenue. It's off to the races. But it's not an uptrend. It's a 7 problems. They're going to make a loss of 6 million. Now, this is out there already, but we'll know by tomorrow. Will the share price take a knock on this? Because what 6 million loss with stronger anticipated cash position for the year of 6.4 million, but they've had debt, so they got net cash of 1.2. So of course they got 5.2 of debt, but they're seeing more demand. They signed some more contracts. It seems to be livening up a bit. And I do think, if this does start to recover, it could be a good play. Because like I say, 12 million market cap, 54 million of revenue. If they can edge those margins up, and they even get 5%, net of 2.5 million, that's what, P3? So there's recovery. Recoveries are very risky, but it could be very rewarding. But I shouldn't have positioned this too early. I saw that trading update there, and I thought it would react better, and it didn't, because the loss was there. I thought that wasn't too bad. If you read through they're saying it's coming back alive. Some of the contracts they've said is not being delayed or they come back online. So there's been a lot of delay, a lot of worry here. And if you look forward, so we are seeing 2025, 84 million top line. Okay. They're sending it back to 5 million of EBITDA, 3.2. And if that's the case, if they get, these are forecasts, by the way. So listen, it's very risky. Do your research. If that's the case, there's a lot of upside here. What do the brokers give it? The brokers may have, no, the brokers give 105% upside. But like I said, it's a very tricky area because they're supplying largely local councils, all that stuff, who are strapped for cash and keep delaying all the time. But read that trading update. What's your thoughts on Eneraqua, ladies and gentlemen? Go rip through these because we're getting a bit late now. It's 10 past already. ETP, yes, I hold. Yeah, and put the stop loss in. It may dip down on tomorrow. We never know. We never know. They come up with positive outlook. It may rally, but to me that is a risky. They're flatlining. It can easily go lower. It's not an uptrend. Net asset value looks good. One to watch. What is net asset value there? Yeah, net asset value is 75 pence a share, and they are 39 pence a share. So the net assets are bigger than their thing. Daniel, no, dodgy management. Attempted to hide profit warnings multiple times. That's very interesting, Daniel. Robert, I'll decide tomorrow. Yes, good thing. You're always better waiting for results on questionable recovery plays because they may be worse than you think. Go down. Never try and prejudge like I've done on this one. I've taken. I shouldn't have gone in on this really, but nevertheless, it's less than 1% of my portfolio. It'll take 20% loss, maybe of 1%. Make sure you have your stop loss on. Cancels, dodgy customers. Yeah. Graham, ETB, no history of bad news. Labour income in 4th of July. Perhaps that turns it. Yes, maybe. Who knows? Who knows? There we are. So overall, it's a no. I should think it's one for the watch list. I shouldn't be owning it right here. Too risky. There's no sign of recovery yet, really. We'll see. I think it's a stand back, wait for the fallout. If there's not one, maybe do a bit more research. But I think as yet, yeah, it's questionable. Let's wait for the results tomorrow. Let's see that come out. I'll probably be out.